I want to know why somebody should hire Dalinghaus Construction to fix their foundation problems. Hey guys, this is another episode of You Ask, We Answer. My question is actually going to be for Brian. And Brian, I want to know why.
You don't want to know.
I don't want to know? Never mind, no more questions. I want to know why somebody should hire Dalinghaus Construction to fix their foundation problems.
That is a great question. Well, the first answer I would give is, are we a good fit for you? Because if we're not on the same page, like wanting the same goals of repairing your house the correct way, or doing a full repair and not a half-ass repair, we're probably not the company for you to really just skate by and do a subpar piece of work.
Agree.
But if you're wanting to actually fix your problem and not mask it and not leave it for somebody else to find, we're probably your people to work with.
Yeah. And you would say, especially because we have a lot of people here that have been in this world, foundation world, for many years, to include yourself being one of the longest. Obviously, coming to a client's house with that kind of knowledge and experience is way more beneficial than some people that have been doing this maybe 6 months to a year.
Yeah, and I think one thing that also sets us apart is, like you said, a lot of us have been in the industry for a very long period of time, but we truly aren't trying to sell you something.
Yep.
We already know you have, like, we're just confirming things that you already know.
Yep.
You already know you have drywall cracks. You already know your floors are sloping. We're here strictly to, like, confirm that and provide you a solution. Like, we're not trying to sell you anything. We're just trying to give you the best route to go ahead and fix your home and get you back into a stable location with your home's foundation.
Yeah, and we love the opportunities. We just we flourish when we get to fix all the homes that we get to fix. I mean, we're fixing hundreds every year, and so we love the opportunity to help these people, because you guys are in a time of need where in most cases your most valuable investment is having a serious issue. And we love to be the people that are able to help you guys out.
And if you really want to know if a foundation repair company is there to help you or not, ask the representative that's there, when was the last time that he went to someone's house and it did not need anything being sold to them?
Yeah.
Like, they didn't need any work done, the house checked out perfect, everything was good to go. Good bill of health.
Yep.
And you got those results back.
Yeah, we love telling people that your house is fine and seeing the smile on your faces, their faces, that they don't have to spend any money, they don't have to fix anything. It brings us a lot of joy, and also they will then refer us to other people that actually have problems, and it builds a great relationship.
Yeah, I would say probably 25 to 30% of the houses that we actually look at, we don't recommend any work and give it a clean bill of health, along with, a manometer, floor elevation survey to, confirm all that.
Yeah. So that's a little bit about us. Do the research yourself. We have a lot of reviews out there. We have a lot of customers that are extremely satisfied with the work that we've done, but we want you to be happy as well. So check us out on the internet, go through our website, read all of our articles, watch our videos. You get to know us a little bit better.
And if you're really into bald guys, we're your guys.
That's true.